Hi, welcome to refrigerator-reviews-ratings.com. This is a review of the Whirlpool WRT311FZBM refrigerator. All the information is summarized for you in the 5 color-coded boxes. Everything's rated from best to poor, green to red. Starting in the first box, the price level is $48 per cubic foot. That is about $20 less per cubic foot than average, and that gets our best rating. Features has 3 of those key items. That is much lower than average, so that gets a poor rating. We'll go through those below. Energy usage is 410 kilowatt hours annually. That is about 19% less electricity than average, and that gets our best rating. Water and ice features, it doesn't have any of those, and that gets a poor rating. Warranty has 1 year parts, 1 year labor, limited manufacturer's warranty. In the general ratings, the manufacturer suggested retail price is $999. It is available, it's a current model. Size and style ratings is 20.6 cubic foot of capacity, 14.5 cubic feet of fresh space, 6.1 cubic feet of freezer space. It is available in stainless steel. It does have your typical incandescent lighting or CFL bulb lighting, and it does have a standard depth of approximately 30 to 36 inches. There are no water and ice features on this refrigerator. It does have a humidity control feature for the crisper though, so you can adjust that for your vegetables or fruit, whatever you'd like to store in there. It also does have your glass shelves. We do have over 1,800 other reviews on the website. If you go to our homepage, refrigerator-reviews-ratings.com, you'll see the most searched refrigerators summarized there for you. Also, if you click on Best Refrigerator on the left-hand side, you'll see a top 25 list of our highest rated models. Also, you can search by energy efficiency, you can search by type, by color, by brand, by size, by price, and by discontinued models as well. If you have any questions or comments about these refrigerator or any others, please leave those for us. We thank you for taking a look at this review.